Hi, I'm Jill, and welcome to a new 2-minute tongue twister challenge. So the tongue twister we're looking at today is green glass globes glow greenly. Once more, green glass globes glow greenly. So this tongue twister is practicing the sound g in all of the words, and also consonant clusters. We have gl and gr. So the minimal pair there of l and the difference between the l and the r sound. So we have glass, globes, and glow with the gl sound, and green and greenly with the gr sound. So putting it all together one more time. Green glass globes glow greenly. Now, you try. So how did you go? Could you say the tongue twister? Green glass globes glow greenly? Don't worry if you can't, it just takes some practice. But tongue twisters are a great way to practice your English pronunciation. They strengthen your English muscles and help you to speak a little more clearly. So there are lots more tongue twisters, limericks, and other ways to practice your English pronunciation here on my YouTube channel or on the Study HQ Cairns website in Jill's English Pronunciation Gym. Just a few minutes workout for your English muscles each day will help your pronunciation and also help your English listening. So head over to Jill's Gym for a workout today. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time.